All right, so since you guys have been learning about poems, and this week you are working on rhyming poems, I figured I would read some different poems to you. I'm actually going to start by reading a book that I read to my boys called The Belly Button Book by Sandra Boynton. Okay, she is a great author, and this book, as I was reading it this week, all of a sudden I was like, oh, this would be perfect for our rhyming. And then I'm also going to read some different poems from the book Something Big Has Been Here, and this has lost its cover. This is a poem book from a poetry book from when I was little. You can see on here it says Rebecca up here, because that was what I ended up writing on it when I got it when I was younger. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope it makes you laugh. And all right, I'm going to read Belly Button Book. This tiny hippopotamus has something small to say, and if we're very quiet now, she'll say it right away. Listen. Beebo. You might not know what Beebo means, or maybe you've forgotten. It's just the tiny hippo way of saying belly button. Beebo. We hippos love our belly bees. They're round and cute and funny. And there's a place we take them to when summer days are sunny. Come. Beebo. Ah, look at all the hippos with a belly button each. Do you wonder where we are? It's Belly Button Beach, where tons of hippos stand around in bathing suits till little, because they hope you will admire the button on their middle. We don't do much throughout the day, that's how we like it best. We nibble grapes, we watch the waves, we take a little rest. We always love to get balloons, and I know why, do you? Because we like to think balloons have belly buttons too. Boon! Soon after dark upon the beach we sing our favorite song, and if you're feeling in the mood, we hope you'll sing along. Belly, belly button, you're oh so fine. Ooh, belly button, I'm so happy you're mine. We sing this song on summer nights or when it's hot outside, but never in cold winter time when belly buttons hide. No, never in cold winter time when belly buttons hide. Bye-bye, people. All right, that one always makes me laugh. All right, so something big has been here. Something big has been here. What it was, I do not know, for I did not see it coming and I did not see it go. But I hope I never meet it. If I do, I'm in a fix, for it left behind its footprints. They are size 956. As soon as Fred gets out of bed, his underwear goes on his head. His mother laughs, "Don't put it there. A head's no place for underwear." But near his ears, above his brains, is where Fred's underwear remains. At night, when Fred goes back to bed, he deftly plucks it off his head. His mother switches off the light and softly croons, "Good night, good night." And then, for reasons no one knows, Fred's underwear goes on his toes. All right, this one's called Belinda Blue. Belinda Blue was furious. She fumed. "I'm really mad. This is the worst experience that I have ever had." She beat her fists against the wall. She pounded on the floor. "I am livid!" she exploded. "I am bilious to the core." She wrung her hands. She tore her hair. Her tantrum grew and grew. "I am angry, angry, angry!" shrieked enraged Belinda Blue. She seemed to be beside herself. She raced around the room. She roared so loud the neighbors thought they'd heard a sonic boom. Her rage was unabated. It appeared she'd never quit. In fact, she seemed to savor every second of her fit. Belinda Blue created such an overwhelming scene because at lunch her mother said, "Please, eat just one green bean." I hope you don't throw fits like that for your parents when they ask you to eat something. All right, I tried to put bookmarks in all the different ones I wanted to read to you, so hopefully I didn't miss any. Twaddle, talk, tuck. I'm twaddle talk tuck, and I talk and I talk and I talk when I run, and I talk when I walk, and I talk when I hop, and I talk when I creep, and I talk when I wake, and I talk when I sleep, and I talk when it's wet, and I talk when it's dry, and I talk when I laugh, and I talk when I cry, and I talk when I jump, and I talk when I land, and I talk when I sit, and I talk when I stand, and I talk into anyone's ear, and I talk when there's nobody near, and I talk when I'm hoarse, and my voice is a squawk, for I'm twaddle talk tuck, and I talk and I talk. Slow Sloth's Slow Song. I am a sloth. A sloth am I. I live in trees, but I can't fly. I do not run. I am so slow. But I am where I want to go. Don't yell at me. Look at this picture. These pictures are always so funny to me. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. I hate it when you do. It makes me feel so miserable. I want to run from you. I simply cannot stand it. When you scream into my ear, if I knew how to do it, I'd completely disappear. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. I'll crawl away and hide. I'll detonate to smithereens or shrivel up inside. Feel free to thumb your nose at me or wiggle all your toes at me or even ring a bell at me. But please, 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 don't yell at me! I'm much too tired to play tonight. I'm much too tired to play tonight. I'm much too tired to talk. I'm much too tired to pet the dog or take him for a walk. I'm much too tired to bounce a ball. I'm much too tired to sing. I'm much too tired to try to think about a single thing. I'm much too tired to laugh tonight. I'm much too tired to smile. I'm much too tired to watch TV or read a little while. I'm much too tired to drink my milk or even nod my head. But I'm not nearly tired enough to have to go to bed. Pickle plus Pearl. See her facial expression here. I'm Pickle plus Pearl and I'm not very nice. I'm not made of sugar and I'm not made of spice. My attitude's awful, my temper is vile. I have no idea what it feels like to smile. I'm Pickle plus Pearl and I'm nasty and sour. My wretched expression can wither a flower. It takes but a blink of my miserable eye for laughing hyenas to break down and cry. If I fix your face with my permanent frown, your stomach is liable to turn upside down. My stare is so cold it turns water to ice. I'm Pickle plus Pearl and I'm not very nice. As soon as Penny goes to bed. As soon as Penny goes to bed, she screeches and she cries. She tosses on her pillow, and she cannot shut her eyes. She whimpers and she snivels. She blubbers and she wails. Poor Penny should not try to sleep upon a bed of nails. All right, and our last poem, My Sister Ate an Orange. Now this one is always great if you cover up the picture first, which in class I normally would. I would have covered up the picture so that you couldn't see it. My sister ate an orange. I'm astonished that she did. She swallowed it completely. She's a disconcerting kid. My sister ate an orange. First she chewed it for a while, then digested it entirely with a silly sort of smile. My sister ate an orange. It's a novel thing to do. Then she also ate a yellow, and a purple, and a blue. So as you can see, poems come to life with pictures, with words, the way they paint pictures with words. But they also come to life with the kind of tone that you use. So if you have any poems that you have written and you would like to say them in a certain way, I would love to watch your video and hear how it goes for you. Hope you get some poetry books when you can from the library, or if you have any at home, or you could even look some up on the internet too with your parents' help. So enjoy some more poems.